Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. The s we put on the right, y-1, y-2 and y+3 we put on the left. So we will have about y-2 over y-1, y+3, and we have dy equals to this one. We have s-2, s-1, and s+3 ds. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will calculate about this one because this is similar for this one in here. Next, I will use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s-1, capital B over s+3. Next, I will do common denominator. So we have A multiplied by s+3, B multiplied by s-1. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of s. So about s we have a plus b. About nothing we have 3a minus b. So we look on coefficient. We see that this is s. That means this one should be equals to number 1. And the next one should be equals to negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. This one we have negative number 2. And now we saw the solution in here, and we have negative 1 over 4 and b equals to 5 over 4. So we put the value of a and b in here. So we have a equals to negative 1 over 4, b equals to 5 over 4, and now we have the final answer. And now we go back in here. So this one we put in here. And this one we just change for y. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.